In this video, I will show you how to apply a design to an object. First, select the object and make two copies. Then go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur, adjust the radius, pixels, and click OK. Save this blurred image in PSD format for displacement. Now delete this layer. Drag and place your design onto the object and adjust it accordingly. Right-click on the design layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Go to Filter, Distort, and Displace. Adjust the horizontal and vertical scale values. Select the PSD displacement file that you saved earlier and click Open. Go to the right panel and change the blending mode to multiply. To refine the shadows, go to Blending Options and adjust the settings according to your needs. Thank you for watching.